Ladies and gentlemen, for your viewing pleasure, today we are installing patio speakers. Of course, I got these things laying around. I got so much just stuff laying around. We need some music on the patio. We have some here in the garage, but you really have to blare it pretty good to be able to project it far enough out in the patio. I have the speaker wire, I have the speaker selector, which I'll show you in a little bit. I have the speakers, but I do not have the speaker mount. So I am going to have to custom make a speaker mount out of some scrap wood. You guessed it. I mean, who doesn't need a little bit of on the patio, right? My plan is to take some speaker wire, run up through the back, come up the garage wall here, through the ceiling, into the attic, and across to speaker locations here and here. So how I'm going to get the wires through the ceiling is using this fish tape. Say it again, fish tape. Basically what you do is you just push the end of it through, and you have like 25 feet or so, or 50 feet, 100 feet, how big your fish tape is. You feed it through, go to the other side, tape your wires on it, and then you just pull it right back through. And that way it's easy. And I'm going to do the same thing on the eaves where I'm going to install the outdoor speakers. That is the fish tape right there coming through the ceiling. All I gotta do is grab the end of it there and take my 2 pieces of wire here, tape it to the end, which I got electrical tape for it, and then pull it back through. And then I'll do the same thing with the eaves. I'll go fish the tape through the eave, and then find it, and then pull that wire back through, and then the second one as well. This little Pyle amplifier is awesome. It is PDA 6BU, plenty of power, and it is connected out through the back of that to my subwoofer, which is a powered subwoofer. And in the back of the powered subwoofer, they go in here and they come out this end to these speakers right here. But what I want to do is use a speaker selector like this one and be able to select whether I want the garage playing, the patio playing, or both playing. This is the back of the speaker selector here. My amplifier is coming into the input right there, and then I have my garage speakers on channel 1 down there, and then the patio speakers are on channel 2 right there. And it is working beautifully. Never throw things away you might use in the future. It's not called hoarding, it's just called storage, okay? I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to the channel, and until next time, I'll see you on the next one.